Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 5. Today, we're diving into the essential skill of creating basic plots. Learning to visualize your data is crucial in MATLAB, and we'll show you how simple it can be. Get ready for some plot magic. You can create insightful graphs in seconds using simple commands. Data visualization allows you to quickly understand trends, patterns, and anomalies in your data that tables might hide. Let's walk through the fundamental steps of creating a basic line plot in MATLAB. First, define your x-axis range. For example, x equals 0 to 0.1. 10 creates a vector from 0 to 10, with increments of 0.1. Next, use the plot command. To plot a sine wave, you would enter sine x. A basic plot is good, but adding labels and legends makes it much more informative. Use the xlabel command to label your x-axis, making your plot easy to interpret. Add a legend using the legend command, especially important when plotting multiple data series. What if you want to compare different functions on the same set of axes? To plot more than one line on the same graph, use the hold on command after your first plot. Now you can add your second plot, for example, plot of x, cos of x, to compare sine and cosine waves. Once you've finished adding lines, use hold off to release the plot for the next new figure. Mastering basic plots is a huge step in utilizing MATLAB effectively for data analysis and reporting. Remember, visualize your data to uncover hidden insights and make data-driven decisions. Join us for the next lesson where we'll cover scripting basics to automate your MATLAB workflows.